Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can I trust Remitly with my money? So, can you trust Remitly? The short answer is yes. Remitly is a legitimate and secure platform for international money transfers. It has a strong track record and implements several key security measures to protect your money and personal information. First, Remitly is a regulated financial service. It is licensed to operate in the countries where it provides service. This means it has to comply with strict financial regulations designed to keep customer funds safe. For example, in many places, it is required to keep customer money in separate, safeguarded accounts, which means your money is not used for company operations. Secondly, Remitly uses advanced technology to protect your data. This includes encryption protocols like Transport Layer Security and AES-256, which are industry standards for securing online transactions and sensitive information. They also have teams of experts and automated systems that monitor for suspicious activity and fraud. Finally, Remitly has specific features to ensure your safety. They require identity verification to prevent unauthorized access and offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, promising a refund of your fees if a transfer isn't delivered on time. While Remitly does its part, you also have a role to play. Always use a strong password, be cautious of scams, and never share your login details with anyone. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.